Hello, our topic for today is order of operations. This is Terry, and I'm going to cover section 1.5 with you. Our objectives today are talking about the associative laws for addition and multiplication and following the order of operations to simplify expressions. That second one is really what we're looking at. The associative law is basically saying that I can do stuff in any order as long as it's addition and multiplication. We can't do it with subtraction and division. I'll give you an example of, one of those. Let's just do an example right now. The associative law says that if I take 2 times 3 times 4, and if I do these two first, that will be the same as if I multiply 2 times 3 times 4, but I do this multiplication first. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4 gives me 24. So on this side I get 24. If I do it this way, I do inside the parentheses, so I get 2 times 12, and 2 times 12 is 24. So you can see that these are equivalent, and so that's basically what an associative law says, is it doesn't matter which one you associate with here. You can do it in any order and it will give you the same answer. That applies only for addition and multiplication. It does not work in division or subtraction. And notice that these are all multiplication signs here, so it has to be multiplication, multiplication, and otherwise it has to be addition and addition. So we could show you the same thing with these three numbers. Here I could add these two first and then add 4. Here I could add these two first and then add 2. So I would get 5 plus 4, which is 9, or I'd get 2 plus 7, which is also 9. So these are equal all the way through, and that's basically what it's saying. So notice that as long as they're all addition, I can add them in any order and I'll get the same answer. So as long as all the operations are multiplication, I can multiply them in any order and I'll get the same answer. That's what those associative laws of addition and subtraction tell you.